Okay, let's talk about something.
I've got a question for you. What's heavier, a kilogram of steel or a kilogram of feathers?
So which one is right? Well, in this video, I'll convince you that steel is heavier than feathers and that Limmy was right all along. My ultimate goal here is for Limmy to watch this video and make him realize that he was right. So how can this be true? How can 1 kilogram of steel weigh more than 1 kilogram of feathers? Well, the first thing we have to look at is something called Archimedes Law. All Archimedes Law is the law of buoyancy. It just states that if you place something in a fluid, like water, it will experience a buoyancy force equal to the weight of the water that it displaces, which is just the volume. The second thing we have to know about is what the unit of mass and what the unit of weight is. You might think that the unit of weight is kilograms, but that's actually not true. The real unit of weight is newtons. Don't believe me? Take a close look at this wiki page. Look at this image. You see? The weight is in newtons. Even though the mass of the object is the same both at Earth and on Mars, the weight differs, which means the weight is just the force that an object pushes down on the Earth with. In everyday conversation, people don't usually say something weighs about 9.2 newtons or that a person weighs about 500 newtons. Instead, we typically talk about weight in kilograms. This is because on Earth, an object with a mass of 1 kilogram experiences a gravitational force of about 9.82 newtons. That constant ratio makes it easy to treat mass and weight as nearly interchangeable, but they're not the same. For example, a helium balloon has a positive mass, but it can have a negative weight due to buoyancy forces. So while mass is constant, weight depends on its surrounding environment and its local gravitational field. It should now be clear why the steel weighs more than the feathers. It's because both the steel and the feathers are surrounded by air, and air, like water, is a fluid. Because the feathers experience a higher buoyancy force due to it having a higher volume, it weighs less. Even though they're both 1 kilogram, that is, they have the same mass, their weights differ. So let's get back to the question.
That's right, it's a kilogram of steel, because steel is heavier than feathers. I don't get it.